Personally, yes. Well, I don't think I know. Probably had close encounters twice. Actually, a spaceship in front of my house where my mom and dad live. It was huge. My son still remembers that day, my youngest son, Jay. And it shook a whole adobe house because the vibration was so great. Actually, it came over this mountain, and I think some of my Pueblo members in our way saw it, but I don't think they would say anything about it like I would, because I have a different form of energy from other people, and to say that really it does exist, it does, because I never seen anything like that, and I didn't see any kind of like USA sign on the on this humongous machine that we saw. And I don't know how the two dogs got in the truck and the window was just open just this much. I don't know how they squeezed into the truck without breaking the glass when they jumped in, being afraid so much. It had serious lights, blues. It was humming so seriously that the adobe house was actually shaking, and we thought that the Vigas were going to fall out of the house because the vibration was so great. It came close as it could possibly come, and from the front of the house it took off north, like toward the Overland Shipskin, so seriously fast that it blinded us when it took off. From a standstill, to tremendously speed that I have never ever seen on this earth. Yes, I have seen a UFO.
Yo,